Hello again. We add a new video for the preparation for the first client because in the Virginia they change some in the practical test. Then we tell you add it this way. This is in the beginning is work area. It was 15 minutes. Now they only make it 10 minutes. You will do the same, bring the paper bag, everything ready, general supplies, universal supplies, cleaning the table, do the same. But they tell you instead of that, for the client one, cleansing the face, massaging the face, exfoliating, facial mask, they said, bring your client, prepare for your client, and they call it basic facial. Then everything you put it in the trash, but everything you have it, makeup remover, cleanser, toner. Then you remove the makeup, we teach you the other videos. Then you started exfoliating with the steam towel, with the brush, anything or any implement you use it. And it's going to be just, a steam towel, you use it, remove, and toner, remove the residue. After that, massaging the face with the 4 massage treatment, you will do that one too. And after this is going to be facial mask. Then is a conclusion of the facial. But they tell you, you prepare your work area in 10 minutes. And in the second one, they tell you, do basic facial. And let me read for you, then you know what you are going to do. They said, client preparation and basic facial. You have 25 minutes and they read you will prepare your client for, these services. You will perform a basic facial. The basic facial will include cleansing, manual exfoliation, towel steaming, massage, and mask. You will be experienced to follow all client protection safety, and you will have 25 minutes. It's a lots of time. Then you can do everything. You will be informed when you have 12 minutes remaining. That's really good. And a step back indicate you have finished. They repeat again and they tell you you may begin, and you come forward, sanitize your hand. And this basic facial is prepared on your work area. Then you start to do makeup remover, cleansing, exfoliation with the implement, steam towel, and you will do the massage, 4 massage movement we do, pétrissage, effleurage, tapotement, and friction. We will do that one too. And at the end, conclusion of the facial, we do mask, you remove it with the cotton round, and the residue with the toner. If you have more questions, let us know. Any comment, let us know. Then if you need it, we can make it a complete video for you guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day.